It's day 135 2016 and today we talk about Sony's refreshed line of devices, Google's new steps into virtual reality and more. This is FoneArena Daily. Let's begin. Microsoft is finally getting Windows 10 Mobile updated to support the now ubiquitous fingerprint sensor. It might be 3 years ago that the feature went mainstream in smartphones, and it could be even a long time ago that the business laptops had this feature, but it has taken a long time to come to Windows. But it happened with Windows 10 actually, with the Hello feature that featured facial recognition and other types of biometric input. But it has taken this long to come to Windows 10 Mobile because, well, the hardware ecosystem is currently lacking. There are not many fingerprint sensor based devices on the Windows platform, and obviously the software also doesn't support it because most of the fingerprint scanners which are being used by the Android OEMs have their own drivers, so they need to be rewritten for Windows 10. So that's happening right now, and maybe with the next build of Windows 10 Mobile they will be enabling the fingerprint sensor support. Sony had recently rebranded their flagship series from Z to X, which honestly left us wondering about the rest of the series. Well, now new reports claim that Sony is indeed ending the rest of the series, which include the C series and the M series of devices, and it'll be just the X series from now on. This is confirmed by a slide which states that from 2016 to 2018, Sony will be concentrating on just the X series, and it will not just be about phones, it will be about Internet of Things and other devices too. So the Xperia X and the Xperia X Performance are the first devices in the series, and they were unveiled at Barcelona this year, and hopefully we'll be seeing more streamlined X products from now on. According to a new report from Recode, Google has apparently delayed its own implementation of 3D Touch, which was introduced by Apple on the iPhone 6s. Basically, 3D Touch is hardware understanding pressure and software interpreting these different levels of pressure. So this feature actually adds more value to the experience, and a couple of Android OEMs have also been trying to get this feature in, but it is not present in Android currently. This feature is reportedly called Dynamic Actions within Google, and they hope to release it later. We don't know when, but it's definitely not coming at I/O. That's what the report says clearly. So yes, we need to wait more for 3D Touch to come on Android. And talking of I/O, Google is all set to unveil new bits of Android which will add support and capabilities for virtual reality on the platform. This is called Android VR, and there are overwhelming signs that Google is also going to release a standalone VR headset, like maybe the Gear VR. So a combination of the software features and this new headset will make the event more exciting, I guess. On the same note, a reference placeholder was found out by Android police on the Google Play developer console. The reference reads Android VR, which pretty much confirms the flavor and actually makes us more curious about how it's going to be placed. Is it going to be a separate product that lives inside headsets, or is it going to be just part and parcel of the Android operating system on the phone? So let's see what happens at Google I/O, and I think this makes for a really good discussion, so here you go. What are your expectations for Google I/O this year? Could be about anything. Do let us know in the comment section below, and we'll see you later with more technology news. Thanks for watching.